A product requirements document is a foundational document in product management that clearly explains what a product should do and why it exists. One of its most important purposes is to identify key stakeholders, the people who have an interest in the product, influence decisions, or are impacted by its success or failure. Without clearly identifying stakeholders, even a well-written product requirements document can fail because the wrong expectations are set from the start. Identifying key stakeholders in a product requirements document ensures that everyone who matters is recognized early in the product lifecycle. Stakeholders include individuals or groups who provide input, funding, approvals, technical expertise, or end-user perspectives. By listing them clearly, the product requirements document avoids confusion about who should be consulted, who makes decisions, and who needs to stay informed as the product evolves. A product requirements document typically identifies business stakeholders such as product owners, product managers, executives, and sponsors. These stakeholders care about business goals like revenue, growth, market fit, and return on investment. Including them in the product requirements document ensures that product requirements align with strategic objectives and that leadership expectations are clearly understood. Another critical group identified in the product requirements document is customer and user stakeholders. These may include end users, customers, user research participants, or customer support teams who represent user needs. By naming these stakeholders, the product requirements document keeps the team focused on real user problems rather than assumptions, helping build a product that delivers actual value. The product requirements document also identifies technical stakeholders, such as software engineers, architects, QA testers, and DevOps teams. These stakeholders influence feasibility, performance, security, and scalability. Including them early helps prevent unrealistic requirements and ensures technical constraints are considered before development begins. Design stakeholders are another key group often captured in the product requirements document. This includes UX designers, UI designers, and accessibility experts. Identifying these stakeholders ensures that usability, visual consistency, and accessibility requirements are built into the product from the beginning rather than added as an afterthought. A well-written product requirements document also identifies operational stakeholders, such as customer support, sales, marketing, and training teams. These stakeholders are responsible for launching, selling, supporting, and maintaining the product. Including them helps ensure that requirements consider onboarding, documentation, support workflows, and go-to-market needs. Regulatory and compliance stakeholders may also be identified in the product requirements document, especially for products in finance, healthcare, or enterprise environments. These stakeholders ensure the product meets legal, security, privacy, and industry standards. Clearly identifying them reduces the risk of costly compliance issues later in development. Identifying key stakeholders in the product requirements document also helps clarify roles and responsibilities. It defines who provides input, who approves requirements, and who has final decision authority. This prevents delays, reduces conflicts, and avoids situations where feedback comes too late to be useful. From an agile perspective, identifying stakeholders in the product requirements document supports better collaboration and faster decision-making. When teams know exactly who to engage for feedback or clarification, they waste less time and move more confidently through discovery, planning, and delivery. This aligns well with agile principles of transparency and shared understanding. In summary, one of the most critical roles of a product requirements document is to identify key stakeholders clearly and early. By naming business, user, technical, design, operational, and compliance stakeholders, the product requirements document creates alignment, reduces risk, and sets the foundation for successful product delivery. Without this clarity, even the best product ideas can struggle to move forward effectively.